Hey everybody, it's been a while since I made a video. That's all right. You can see I'm in a different area, so I'm sorry, no more videos from my garage. But I think this is a much better location anyway. But I want to talk to you about replacing an existing older inverter with one of our Tigo inverters. And our service line has gotten a few calls in the last couple of months about damaged inverters. So, and this applies for everybody, not just for Tigo. Okay, we're seeing a lot of those inverters that were going in 10, 12, 15 years ago. They're starting to age out, and so people are looking for replacements. Totally cool. We can help with that. However, you have to do a little homework on your end. Okay, and I was talking to our service team yesterday during our weekly training meetings, and people are just taking inverters off the wall, putting ours in, putting the same strings in the same terminals on the DC side, and then damaging the inverters. Okay, very rarely can you just take a 10-year-old thing, replace it with something new, and it just automatically works, right? Like particularly with computers. Like try replacing something in a computer that's only 5 years old, right? So you just can't take an inverter from back then and then replace it with a new one without doing some homework on the stringing. Okay, so, well, this array has 3 strings. Your 7.6 inverter has 3 terminals. I'll just connect them there. It don't work like that sometimes. Okay, so you, at the bare minimum, you need to make sure that your voltage and current does not exceed the rating of the new inverter. And if it does, you have to do some restringing. You're going to have to go up on the roof. You're going to have to figure out how the previous installer strung up that array. And what we're seeing is people just taking the new stuff and connecting it with the old arrays, and it's not working out so great. So you need to do a little bit of work before you pursue this. Right? And luckily, our sales engineering team, our service team, is there to help you along with this. We know our equipment very well, and we can help you to make sure everything goes all right. So that was a down and dirty quickie. See ya.